So this combination is what I like to refer to as a setup combo. So it's an 8 count and a 1. So it's straight to business. You're going to hit the accent. And usually it's an easy setup because you can count the 1 quite clearly, especially if it's highlighted in the music. So you know it will start on a 1 and it will end on a 1. So for example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Push the knee down, 5 and 6. And now from here, 6 is usually your setup count-wise. So from here, you can go into any freeze, 7, 8, 1 for the freeze. But here we're going to go into what's it called? A shoulder chair, reverse chair, whatever. We're going to go into this move here, like this. Place the hand here, go down, freeze like this. To make it perfect, you kind of want to move the hand out of the way so it's more engaging to your opponent. Okay? But if we do those counts again, let me just get this wire out of the way. If we do those counts again, it should be like this. It'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. See that? Shoulder chair is really nice and easy. And it's a nice sort of like hit. It's like a hit move. So you can get straight to, you can have an impact straight away. Now it doesn't have to be a shoulder chair. It can be whatever you want. If you are preferring the other side, if you prefer the other hand, you're here on 6. So you can go 7, 8, 1 if you want to. And this is on the right side, okay? The entrance would just be a little quicker. Or of course you could just reverse the footwork as its entirety. Okay, let's try that to the music.